destroy your skin or completely destroy it. The difference is how you use it. If you have ever used black soap and ended up darker, dry or breaking out, this video is for you. Today I will show you 5 real benefits of black soap and the correct way to use it so it works for your skin, not against it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let's get into it. But first, what is black soap? African black soap is a natural cleanser made from ingredients like cocoa pot ash, plantain peel ash, palm kernel oil or shea butter. When used correctly, it can be amazing. When misused, skin damage. Black soap has a lot of benefits, but today we are looking at only 5 benefits of using black soap. So stay with me as I tell you the benefits of using black soap and how to use it properly to avoid skin damage. Benefit 1: helps clear acne and breakouts. Black soap has natural antibacterial properties that help fight acne-causing bacteria. The acne-causing bacteria in your skin, black soap can help to fight them, kill them, to stop them from causing acne. Black soap helps unclog pores. If you have a clogged pores, black soap can help unclog the pores and open it. Reduce pimples and whiteheads. Are you suffering from pimples and whiteheads that will not go away? Use black soap and you'll thank me later, because black soap will get rid of your pimples and whiteheads at a go. Control excess oil. Do you have oily skin? You have tried different products and it's not working. Have you used black soap? Use black soap. It will help to control excess oil on your skin, especially for people that have oily skin. If you use black soap, it will help with excess oil on your skin. You know the excess oil can cause pimples, so black soap will help to control that oil and make your skin to be normal. Some people are using black soap, but they are using it in a wrong way. That is, using it directly on your face daily. Some people will pick black soap and scrub it directly on their face. No. The best way to use black soap is by layering it on your hands and applying it on your skin. Gently cleanse for 30 seconds maximum. You should not exceed 30 seconds because it is a very harsh soap that can destroy or damage your skin. So you don't put the soap directly on your skin. You only lather it in your hand and cleanse your skin for 30 seconds. Then rinse with clean water. Only for 30 seconds, and you don't have to be doing it every day. Only 2 to 3 times a week is perfect. Don't do it every day, if not it will ruin your skin. But if you use it the right way, your skin will thank you. You will thank your skin and you will thank black soap, because it will clear your skin and make your skin to glow. Benefit number 2: fades dark spots and uneven skin tone. Black soap gently exfoliates dead skin cells, which helps fade dark spots, improve uneven tone, and brighten dull skin. Black soap gently exfoliates dead skin cells, which helps fade dark spots. If you have a lot of dark spots that are not going away, you try a lot of products but it's not going, have you used black soap? Try using black soap. Black soap will clear your dark spots, will make them fade at a go. So try using black soap. It helps also to improve uneven skin tone. Some people have uneven skin tone all over their body. If you use black soap, it will even out your skin tone and make you glow. Brighten dull skin. Yes, black soap helps to brighten dull skin. Your skin is dull, we don't even know how we can describe your skin. Try using black soap. It will brighten your skin and make your skin to glow and you will look beautiful. So black soap helps to fade dark spots, improve uneven tone, and brighten dull skin. Why are you not using black soap? So there is another wrong way people are using black soap: scrubbing hard or leaving it on your face. You will carry black soap and put it directly on your face and scrub it out on your face. Then you leave it to stay on your face for long. It's a very wrong way to use black soap. It will damage your skin. The right way is massage gently, leather on your hand, massage gently for 30 seconds maximum. Massage, then immediately rinse with clean water and follow with a hydrating moisturizer. Yes, when you are done, you follow with hydrating moisturizer. So don't scrub it hard or leave it on your face for long. Only 30 seconds is okay. Rinse and moisturize immediately after, and you will begin to see the difference in your skin. And also, black soap does not bleach your skin. If it's making you darker, you are overusing it. Black soap is not for skin bleaching, but if at some point you are using it and you are seeing that your skin is becoming darker, that means you are overusing it. As I said, 2 to 3 times a week is okay. Don't overuse it. It's not for everyday use. Good. Benefit number 3, helps with oily skin and blackheads. If your face gets oily quickly, black soap can help balance oil production. My oily skin people, where are you? Use black soap if you know you have oily skin. Your skin is producing a lot of oil. You've tried different things, different products, and it's not working. Try using black soap. Black soap will reduce the oil on your skin. So it helps reduce shine. It will make your face not to shine too much with a lot of oil. It keeps your pores cleaner. It helps prevent blackheads. Yes. So black soap will remove all the dirt, all the black things on your face, all the dirty things on your face. It will clean your face and make your face to look beautiful and glow. So know that black soap helps to reduce shine, keep your pores cleaner, and helps prevent blackheads. There is another wrong way people are using black soap, using morning and night. Yes, you don't have to use it morning and night in your morning and night time routine. You don't have to use it. You can choose morning or you choose night, and it doesn't have to be every day. You don't have to use it daily. Talk more of using it morning and night. Use once a day. If it's necessary, you use once a day or every other day. That means 2 to 3 times a week. I always apply sunscreen in the morning. When you finish your skincare in the morning, make sure you apply sunscreen. Dry skin people, be careful. If you have dry skin, you should be careful with how you use black soap. Don't use it every day. You use it at least 2 times a week. It's okay for dry skin people because it will dry out your skin the more, and it will make your skin sensitive to a lot of infection, and it can damage your skin. So if you have dry skin, in fact, once a week or twice a week is perfect for you. You don't have to use it every day. If not, your skin will be ruined. Benefit number 4, soothe skin infection, eczema, rashes, and itching. Do you have eczema? Is your skin having rashes? Is your skin itching you? Use black soap. Original black soap contains shea butter and natural oils that can calm all irritation. It helps to reduce itching. Itching caused by a lot of bacterial infection on your skin. Your skin is itching you a lot. Use black soap. It will clear your itching, stop it, and help you with the itching. It can soothe mild eczema. If you have mild eczema on your skin, use black soap. It will help the eczema to go away. So it's also gentle on sensitive skin when diluted. You can dilute it with a little water or with honey. When diluted, it's gentle on sensitive skin. So those with sensitive skin, black soap is not really good for you, but when you dilute it, it will be good for you only when you dilute it, because it will make your skin more sensitive if you don't dilute it. So black soap helps reduce itching. It can soothe mild eczema, and it's gentle on sensitive skin when diluted though. Then there's another wrong way people are using black soap, using harsh fake black soap. Yes, I made a video on how to know fake and good black soap, so check the link in the description to see the video how to know the difference between a good black soap and a fake black soap, so that whenever you go to buy a black soap, you can be able to determine which one is fake and which one is good. Buy original African black soap. Patch test first. When you buy it, you can patch test on a little part of your skin. Either any parts of your skin you can patch test to see if it's good for your skin or not. Dilute with water or mix with honey or aloe vera. If you have sensitive skin, like I said before, you either dilute it with water or with honey or aloe vera. It can help soothe your skin. Yes, so the right way to use black soap is by knowing the original one from the fake one. Benefit 5. Deep cleansing without chemicals. Black soap is great for people who want a more natural skincare routine. Black soap is a cleanser. Yes, it cleans your skin of a lot of dirt that a lot of products cannot do. Black soap is a very good cleanser. It doesn't contain harsh chemicals. It has no harsh chemicals that can damage your skin, except if you do not use it the right way. So black soap does not contain any harsh chemical. It removes dirt and sweat deeply. Yes, it goes deep into your skin layers and remove dirt. If you use it the right way, your skin will thank you. Black soap is very important. It's a very good cleanser. It works for face and body. Yes, you can use it on your face and also on your body. Any part of your body it can be used. Black soap is very good. It removes dirt and makes your skin to shine and glow. And also, as always, there is another wrong way people are using black soap. Using it alone without skincare. You cannot use black soap and you cannot apply other skincare. It's bad. Black soap is just a cleanser. Use it as a cleanser. After that, apply other skincare like moisturizer and sunscreen. Yes, so you cannot use black soap alone and say you are done with your skincare. No. At the end, when you finish cleansing your face using black soap, apply moisturizer and then protect with sunscreen. Black soap is a cleanser, not a full-time routine. Who should not use black soap daily? Black soap is not for all skin type, but how you use it matters. If you have very dry skin, don't use black soap daily. 2 times a week is okay for you. If you use it daily, it will dry out and damage your skin. If you already have dry skin, you should use it maximum 2 times a week. Sensitive or compromised skin barrier. If you have sensitive or compromised skin, as I said earlier, you dilute it with a little water or honey or aloe vera before you apply it on your skin. If not, it will dry out your skin and make your skin more sensitive. People using strong actives like retinol or acid, your skincare already contains strong actives. You should reduce the number of times you use black soap. It should not be daily because your skincare already contains other actives like retinols and other acids. So if you have either very dry skin, sensitive skin, or you use strong actives like retinol or acid in your skincare, then limit or avoid black soap completely. Yes, you either limit it or you stop using it. How do you use black soap safely? Use 2 to 3 times a week. Moisturize immediately after. Yes, because it will dry your skin if you don't moisturize. Never scrub aggressively on your skin. Always use sunscreen. Sunscreen is very important for every skincare. When you are done with your skincare and you don't use sunscreen, it's like you have not even started skincare. So always use sunscreen. Stop if your skin feels tight or burns. If after using black soap or when you apply it on your face begins to feel tight or burn, stop using it completely. And this mostly happens if you leave it on your face for long. You begin to feel that your face is becoming tight and it gets worn. Stop immediately. So my skincare lovers, black soap is powerful, but only when used correctly. If this video helped you, like, subscribe and comment. I will see you in the next video.